Hey everyone, look at this! Ta-da! I totally meant to do that.
Have you ever looked at a normal picture and wondered if you could turn it into a professional cartoon animation using only your smartphone for free? Well, this is exactly what I'm going to show you today. In this video, I will show you how I turned this Peller picture into a beautiful cartoon picture, and then I turned it into a smooth cartoon animation video using free AI tools on my smartphone. The best part is we will be creating it in ChatGPT, and you will not need any animation experience to follow along. Before we begin, make sure you subscribe to this channel and follow this page so that you don't miss more of my animation and AI tutorials. First, open your ChatGPT app. If you want to get the ChatGPT Pro version I'm using, comment I'm interested, okay? Then if you open your ChatGPT, then click on Ask ChatGPT. Then you have to click on that plus icon beside it. Then when you click on that plus icon, then click on Photos, because you have to upload your photo first. So search for where you keep the picture. So this is the picture of Peller. I'm going to select the picture. So if you touch the picture, it will select. Then it will now load into ChatGPT. Then allow it to load. Then once it is loaded, the image will be clear and visible. Then click on Ask ChatGPT. Then you have to paste this prompt here. Paste this prompt, okay? Create flat 2D cartoon style. Okay? Create flat 2D cartoon style of this character. Add full body. Don't add shadow, highlight like AI and 3D. So it's going to create a flat 2D cartoon style for you. Do you understand? So you can send the message to ChatGPT. So then you now have to wait for it to generate the 2D flat cartoon style for you. So guys, yeah, it is already generating. So it may take few minutes for it to generate. Just wait for it. Very soon it will finish generating. Okay, then you have the images ready. Guys, as you can see, my image has been created into a beautiful cartoon style. It looks amazing and is very easy to make. Okay, now the next thing, you have to save this image. Then once you save it, now then the next step is you have to turn this picture into a cartoon video using a free AI tools. So if you want to get the AI tools I use to generate the video, comment I'm interested. I will send the apps to you directly. But before we do that, let us save this picture first. So click on that icon at the top in order to save this picture, okay? And if you are enjoying this tutorial so far and you are learning something new, please take a second to like this video, okay? It really helps the channel to grow and motivate me to keep creating more free animation tutorials for you. Now let's continue creating and turning this picture into a cartoon video. Now, if you want to learn how to turn any picture into a professional cartoon animation video and make money from it, yes, it is possible. Join my AI animation class, where I will teach you the complete step-by-step process of creating high-quality cartoon animation videos using free AI tools, whether you are using a phone or a laptop. In the class, you will learn the 6 best ways to monetize your AI animation skills and start earning from your content. If you join the class, you'll get access to all the free AI tools I use, step-by-step video lessons that will teach you, and also a personal guidance and support throughout the class. If you are serious about learning AI animation and creating amazing cartoon videos, then join my AI animation class today. If you are interested, simply chat me on WhatsApp using the number on your screen, or comment I'm interested, and I will help you to get started with the AI animation class. I look forward to seeing you inside the class. I hope this video helped you and showed you what is possible using AI. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on notification bell so that you don't miss my future AI animation tutorials. I've created over 5 AI animation tutorial playlists in a playlist, so click on the screen now to keep watching more of the AI animation tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.